Hello gents, how are you? Are you doing your homework question and are you doing your math work? Okay, good. This is second video of integration, and in previous video already I have given so many formula of integration because integration is the reciprocal process of differentiation, means inverse process of differentiation. That's why if we will learn all the formulas of differentiation, then automatically we can learn all the formula of integration. Understood? Then once more going to tell integrals of some function. Then integrals of 1 by x, e power x, 1 upon x plus b, e power x. So many formula going to write here once more. Clear? First one, 1 by x dx is equal to what? Log of x plus c. Clear? At last we will add c. C means it is the arbitrary constant. Understood? And e power x dx is equal to what? E power x plus c, and e power x dx is equal to e power x upon log of abc plus c, 1 upon ax plus b dx is equal to what? 1 by a log of ax plus b plus c. Clear? 5 e power ax dx is equal to what? E power ax upon a plus c, and 1 upon under root 1 minus x square dx is equal to sin inverse x plus c or minus cos inverse ex plus c. Dx upon 1 plus ex square is equal to tan inverse x plus c or minus cot inverse ex plus c. Dx upon ex under root ex square minus 1 is equal to what? Sec inverse x plus c or minus cosec inverse x plus c. Understood? Now dx upon under root e square minus x square is equal to what? Sin inverse ex by a plus c or minus cos inverse dx upon a square x square is equal to what? 1 by a tan inverse ax by a plus c. Dx upon ax into under root x square minus a is equal to 1 by a sec inverse ax by a plus c. Clear? Once more going to explain because this is very most important. As you know, what is the differentiation of log x? Basic means what? 1 by x. E power x means e power x because already differentiation of any constant number is 0. Either 1, 2, 3, either arbitrary constant, either only constant. Differentiation of e power x means e power x log abc. Differentiation of, I will tell how it will come. Integration of this will come by substitution methods. Differentiation of sin inverse x is equal to this value, this is equal to this value, this is equal to this value. Same things here also. Integration of this is equal to this value. Integration of 1 upon a square plus x square is equal to 1 by a tan inverse x by a plus c. And last one, integration of dx upon x into under root x square minus a square is equal to 1 by a, so it is x by c. Clear? It is clear here? Also clear? You see this question, this formula. Integration of ax plus b and dx. Clear? Now we don't have formula, direct formula 1 upon x plus b, only we have formula 1 upon x dx. Clear? Is equal to what? Log of x by c plus c. Understood? Then we can suppose, we can put means substitution methods. Method means what? Let ax plus b is equal to suppose t. Clear? If we are not able to apply any formula in any given questions direct, then we can convert, we can substitute, we can put, we can take help from other formula. Now ax plus b is equal to t. After that, differentiating both the side with respect to t, there is t. That's why what? D by dt of ax plus b is equal to what? D by dt of t. Clear? A means constant, ax means what? Dx by dt, b constant means 0, dt by dt is equal to 1. Then dx is equal to dt. Dx is equal to what? Dt by a. Clear? Once more, this rule is the very important. 1 by x plus b, if this is not direct formula, because we have formula integration of 1 by x dx, therefore let ax plus b is equal to t. Now going to differentiate both the side with respect to t, then d by dt of t also here, a constant, x means dx by dt, b means 0, dt by dt means 1. Now a dx is equal to dt, dx is equal to dt by a. Now it is not compulsory, we will write each and every terms, each and every line. Clear? Either we can write here ax plus b is equal to t. What is the differentiation of left side? A constant, ax is only 1. Clear? Here x variable, write here dx. T means 1, t variable, write here dt. Therefore, dx is equal to what? Dt by. Now also we can write this type. Clear? Now, for next question you will write this type. Therefore, 1 upon total value is t here. Now, this dx we have to change into dt form. Then we have to put the value of dx in the terms of dt. What is value of dx? Dt by a. Dt by a is equal to what? 1 by a, because 1 by constant, leaving 1 by a, and 1 by t dt. 1 by a. Now you say 1 by x dx. Integration of 1 by x dx is equal to what? Log of x by c plus c. Integration of 1 by t dt is equal to what? Same formula here. Log of t plus c. Now at last we have to put the value of t in the terms of x. 1 by a log of t is equal to what? Ax plus b plus c. Now this is the formula. Here it means, now you can see here, integration of, therefore integration of ax plus b dx is equal to what? Clear? 1 by a log of x plus b by c plus c. 1 by a log of x plus b by c plus c. Clear? In this way we can find e power x also. You can see here e power x. E power x dx. We have only integration of e power x dx is equal to what? E power x plus a. Clear? if an extra means either constant numbers or variable numbers, we can suppose, we can put, we can substitute. Then here let x is equal to t. A constant, x means 1, means dx is equal to what? Here dt, then dx is equal to what? dt by a. Therefore, e power t dt by a 1 by a e power t dt. Integration a power t means e power t 1 by a e power t plus c is equal to e power ax upon a plus c. Now this is answer. Here. Then integration of e power x this is equal to e power x upon a plus c. Integration of e power x dx is equal to what? E power x upon a plus c. It means whatever constant numbers in product form, you see constant numbers in product means constant numbers multiplied by variable number, then this constant number in division form. Division means here. Clear? You see here. Ax constant numbers into variable, then divide by constant numbers. You see here, divide by constant number. Understood? Okay. The question number 1. Integration of 5 upon 3x minus 7. Clear? Integration of 5 upon 3x minus 7. Understood? Okay. Then, first of all, constant numbers outside. Clear? Then leaving constant dx upon 3x minus 7. Now we have formula of 1 by x dx. We don't have direct formula of 1 by 3x minus 7. Understood? So let 3x minus 7 is equal to t. Then here 3 dx is equal to what? dt. Then dx is equal to what? dt by 3. Okay. Now going to put dx is equal to dt by 3 here. Therefore, 3x minus 7 is equal to t. Dx is equal to dt by 3. 5 by 3 because 1 by 3 constant here. 1 by t dt. Integration 1 by t is equal to what? Log of t. Clear? Plus c. Now we have to put the value of t in the terms of x, means log of 3x minus 7 plus c. Now this is the first answer of first question. Clear? Very simple. You see the second question here. Second means a power 3x plus 2 and x. Clear? You see here 3x plus 2, 3x. 3 is multiple of x means product of x here. Then here let 3x plus 2 is equal to t. Then 3 and x is equal to dt. Dx is equal to dt by 3. Therefore, a power t dt by 3. Understood? Is equal to what? 1 by 3 a power t dt. 1 by 3 a power t upon what? Log of a base e. A base e means 1 by 3 log of a base e into a power t means a power 3x plus 2 plus c. Clear? Now this is answer. Understood? Very simple. 3x plus 2t. 3 dx is equal to dt. Dx is equal to dt by 3. Now a power t means what? A power t means, you see, a power x upon log a base c. A power x upon log a base c. A power t means 3x plus 2. Now 1 upon 3 log a base c. A power 3x plus 2 plus c. Now this is second question. Question number 3 here. Ax plus 1 upon ax square minus 1 dx. x plus 1 upon x square minus 1. This is not in any form. Any form means any question, any formula. Then if factorizable is possible, we can do factor. X square minus 1. X minus 1 minus 1 means a plus b minus b. And here a minus 1 dx. Cancel. Now dx upon x minus 1. X minus 1 is not in the form of formula. We have only formula. Integration of 1 by x dx is equal to what? Log of x plus c plus c. Clear? Then let x minus 1 is equal to t. X means what? X is equal to dt. Then here dt upon t is equal to what? Log of t plus e plus c. And log of t means what? Ax minus 1 plus c. Now this is third question. Clear? See the next question. Dx upon under root 16 minus x square. Now you see here dx upon under root a square minus x square means both are the perfect square. Both are both the terms inside the root of denominator are perfect square. Now going to make perfect square. 4 square minus x square. What is formula? 1 by, you see here, dx upon under root a square minus x square is equal to what? Sin inverse x by a plus c. Sin inverse x by a means x by a 4 plus c. Now this is answer. Understood? Okay. See here, e power 3a into log x base a plus e power 3x log a base e. Integration of this function. Then we have formula e power x. E power x is equal to what? E power x. Clear? First of all, this question means given questions we have to change into this form. Which form? This form. Clear? Then e power n log m log x power 3 base e plus e power log of a power 3x base e dx. Clear? Now you have to write one other formula. We have formula e power here log of fx base e is equal to what? Efx. And a power log of fx base e is equal to what? Efx. Clear? Very important formula. A is the base, log fx base e, this is the function, is e power log of fx base e is equal to what? Only fx. Both numbers should be same. E here also. Both the base, you see both the base are equal. Or a power log fx base e is equal to fx. Why? Because both are here, both are here. If both the numbers are equal, then we can write this form. Clear? E power log of, now see here, this is function base a, we can write x power 3 plus what? E power log, this is function here, a power 3x and dx. Clear? Now x power n form, x power n. X power means what? Upon 3 plus 1 plus a power x is equal to what? A power 3x whole upon log of what? A base e means a base e and 3x here we divide by 3 plus c. Clear? A power 3x. Understood? Means what? Total is, now you see here, a power 3x is equal to what? Let here 3x is equal to t, 3 dx is equal to dt, dx is equal to dt by 3. Now 1 by 3 a power t dt. A power t means what? A power t log of a base e plus c, then 1 by 3 t is equal to what? 3x upon log of a base e plus c. Clear? Same things here, 1 by 3 log of a base c, here a power x 3x plus c. Now this is the answer of this question. Understood? Now you have to see last question, question number 6. If in a numerator power of variable numbers more than power of variable in denominator, means it is more than this value, this power, we can divide or we can apply. Clear? Divide means like this one here, x square plus 1 x power 4, here x square x power 4 plus x square, minus cancel, minus x square here, and again divide here, minus 1 minus x square minus 1 plus cancel 1. Understood? Therefore x power 4 upon x square plus 1 is equal to what we can write, x square minus 1 plus 1 upon x square plus 1. Why? When we have to solve this value, same value will come. Clear? A minus b plus b means x power 4 minus 1 plus 1. It means therefore integration of x power 4 x square plus 1 dx is equal to what? X square minus 1 dx and 1 upon x square plus 1 dx. X square is what? X by n form, 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 minus x, 1 by x square plus 1 is equal to what? Tan inverse x plus c, means x cube by 3 minus x plus tan inverse x plus c. Now this is answer. Understood? Or second method means x power 4 upon x square plus 1 dx. Now x power 4 minus 1 upon x square plus 1 and plus 1 upon x square plus 1. Clear? And going to break only here. X power 3 means a square minus b square. X square means a plus b, a minus b upon what? X square plus 1, 1 upon x square plus 1. Cancel. Now x square minus 1 plus 1 upon x square plus 1. Same value will come. You see here, you see here. Okay. So you will complete all the question. How many homeworks I have given, because it was the second video of integration. I hope you will complete all the example and you will learn, you will practice all the formula, because formula is very important in all the video, means maximum video. Same things I have repeated. Formula is very important. That's why you write, you note down in the fair copy all the formula, and please you will learn, you will do practice, and how many questions given by the teachers, given by the me as example, or homework question from exercise example, please you will complete. Okay, thank you very much.